Good day, children. Today we are going to enjoy a story of a golden worm. This golden worm goes from trees to herbs to climbers and then to creepers. Now you can see, children. Now this golden worm is telling the story. Hello children, today I am taking you to show the herbs. You can see there are so many herbs in this slide. I am sitting on the coriander leaves. You can see I like to eat leaves. I love eating coriander leaves. Now I am taking you to the mint leaves. Mint leaves are also very delicious. Yum, 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 yum. Now I am going to so many herbs. There are various herbs here. There is mint also. Sorrel is also there. And garlic is also there. Garlic, small herbs, small plants of garlic. Lemon balm is also there. Now I am going to another herb, and it is fenugreek leaves. Okay, these herbs are very healthy, you know. They act like medicine. Do you know you take Pudin Hara when there is stomach ache in your stomach? Yes, auntie used to give you in school, na? It is called Pudin Hara. It is made up of the juice of these leaves. And fenugreek leaves are also very good in joint ache. Yes, that is why I eat these leaves to keep myself fit and healthy. Here, can you see this? This is Karela. It is very, very bitter. That is why it is called bitter gourd. And these are climbers. These plants climb on the big trees. They climb on the walls also. They climb on the shrubs also. Yes, yes, yes. And here you can see these are juicy grapes. And grape plant is also a climber. Okay, grape, you can see it is a grape vine, and vines are the stems of those plants which have got tendrils, and they climb on other trees. They can climb on big trees, they can climb on shrubs, they can climb on walls. Yes, I love eating all of them. Yum, 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 yum. Now you see here are creepers. Why are these called creepers? Because they creep on the ground. You know, I crawl and they creep. They are creepers. They don't climb on the wall. They don't climb on the trees. They always creep on the ground. Yes, it is pumpkin creeper. And this is watermelon. I like to eat watermelon also. I sometimes go inside these fruits and have their lovely taste. Yum, 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 yum. So, I gave you such a lot of knowledge today. You have learnt about herbs, about creepers, about climbers. Yes. Now we are going to read, right? Herbs. Some small plants have soft green and thin stems. They are called herbs. Most herbs live only for few months. Herbs are smaller than shrubs. They can stand erect on the ground. They are seasonal plants. Seasonal plants means they grow sometimes in one particular season. Suppose some herbs grow in summer season, some herbs grow in winter season, some herbs grow in rainy season, like this. Then leaves and stems of some herbs are used and as medicines and for flavoring food. Example, grass, mint, wheat, sunflower, lady's finger, etc. Children, when wheat plant and ladyfinger plant and sunflower plants are very small, then they are plucked and they are used as medicines. Yes. Now some questions. Which type of plants are herbs? Yes, herbs are small plants having soft green thin stems. What is the time span of herbs? Most of the herbs live only for few months. Okay. What is the height of herbs? How tall are herbs? Herbs are smaller than shrubs. Okay, shrubs are smaller than trees and herbs are even smaller than shrubs. But they can stand on the ground. When do herbs grow? What is the time? What is the period of the growth of herbs? Actually, herbs are seasonal plants. Children, can you name some medicinal herbs? Yes. Lady's finger, sunflower, wheat, grass, mint. Okay. These are some medicinal herbs are wheat, sunflower, lady's finger, right? And mint is also medicinal herb. So, and some herbs are used for the flavoring of the food. Pudina, that is mint, and coriander is also used for the flavoring of the food. Mama puts in the food, na, then very nice smell comes. In Zira Jal also, this coriander leaves are put. Now let us read about climbers. Some climbers. Stems of some plants are weak. They cannot stand erect on their own. They need the support of another plant or sticks to stand. These plants are called climbers. Climbers have tendrils to hold and support. Example, grapevine, pea, money plant, etc. Now children, which type of plants are climbers? Okay, climbers have weak stems. They can't stand erect. Okay. What do they need? Whose support do they need? They need the support of another plant or they stick to the stand. Okay children, can you name some climbers? Yes, some climbers are grapevine, pea, money plant. Yes children, now let us read about creepers. Some plants crawl along the ground. They are called creepers. Creepers have weak stems. They cannot stand erect. Example, pumpkin, strawberry. Okay children, what do creepers do? Creepers crawl along the ground. Yes, beta. Why do they crawl? They crawl because they have weak stems. Okay, can you name two types of plants which have got weak stems? Yes, they are climbers and creepers. Children, can you name some creepers? Yes. Some creepers are pumpkin and strawberry and watermelon and melon also. Yes. Now here children you can see here is a fatty man and he is going to tell you about the tell you that the trees give us all these things. We get food from trees. You can see we get coffee, we get tea, we get tea and coffee both, and we also get fruits and vegetables. We also get pulses and cereals from trees and plants. Wow, trees are so useful. Hey children, I am Mickey Mouse. I am standing in such a beautiful garden. Wow, what a beautiful garden! What a fresh air is there in this garden! I am going to dance whole day long in this super fresh air. And we get fresh air from trees! Yay, 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 yay! La 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 la! La 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 la! La la la! Now children, you can see here is a Donald Duck. He is also going to tell you about the uses of plants. Yes. Yes, children. Can you see? Here are so many perfumes. Jasmine oil and all are jasmine oils. You know, there is a rose also. Rose oil is also there. And these are perfumes of fragrant flowers. They are perfumes of fragrant flowers. Oh my god, so many perfumes. Wow. Wow. I'm going to dance. I'm going to apply all this perfume and dance in the party. Yes, children. Can you see? Here is Goofy. Now Goofy is telling you about the fibers. The plants give us fibers also. Here you can see jute fiber. Children, I am confused. This is a fiber and we get it from plants. Okay. Is it so? Yes. Now, this jute is used to make bags, to make sacks, to make ropes. Amazing. Oh, what is this? This is a cotton fiber. Wow. And here, this is a coir fiber. We get cotton fiber from cotton plants. And we get coir fiber from coconut. Okay. The coconut has got coir now on it. Brown color coir. So, from there we get coconut fiber. Wow, wow, wow. God has gifted us so many things. And plants are so useful. So useful. Yeah. These SpongeBobs are telling you something about plants. Okay, you can see the book is here, children. This book, the paper. The paper we get from the trees. Trees give us paper. And children, can you see this big sofa here? This is made up of wood. And this wood we get from trees. Yes, handsome, graceful, helping trees. Handsome, graceful, helping plants. Now children, you can see we get so many things, medicinal plants from trees. These all things are used in medicine. You can see here turmeric is here. You can see turmeric is here. Turmeric is healthy. And here amla is here. Amla is full of vitamin C. And it boosts our immune system. If we eat lots of amla, we will not fall sick. And turmeric is also immunity booster. Here you can see children, this cream is made up of neem. Neem tree is so helpful. You can see This neem cream can be put on pimples, on the boils. It is so healing. Here you can see mint plant. Mint plant is here. I have told you about it. When you have stomachache, you take the juice of mint plant. Now here you can see it is aloe vera plant. It has also got lots of juice, and aloe vera is very good for your skin and for your stomach. Wow, wow. This boy is saying, wow, we are blessed to have trees and plants in this world. Yes, children, it is given in your book, the uses of plants. I have told you just now. We get food from plants. We get coffee, tea, sugar cane. We get fruits like mango, apple. We get vegetables like spinach, radish. We get cereals like wheat, rice, maize. We get pulses like gram and rajma. And plants also give us air, oxygen. It keeps the air clean. Plants also give us perfume, which is made up of rose and jasmine flowers. Plants also give us fiber, cotton fiber, jute, coconut fiber, which is called coir. And plants also give us paper and wood. Paper and wood, bamboo and teak and deodar are the types of wood we get from plants. And we also get medicines. Plants give us medicines like tulsi, turmeric, aloe vera, amla. Just now I have shown you the pictures of all this now. So you are going to read all this in your book. Okay, children. Now there are something in your lesson which I have not done yet. Now in this point, did you know, children, the groundnut plant is actually a green bush. Its nuts grow with roots. Okay, groundnut plant is actually a green color bush, and the nuts of the groundnut are actually its roots. And groundnuts are so delicious, na? We like eating roasted groundnut. So second point is, to get oil, we crush seeds of plants rich in oil. So we get mustard oil from mustard seed. We get til oil from til seed. It is called sesame. And now children, let us try this. What do we get from trees? Just now we have discussed, we get fresh air, that is called oxygen from trees. We get food and we get medicine also. Now come to next point. Did you know the Venus flytrap is an insect eating plant? Do you know, children, the name of this plant, as it is telling, fly trap. It traps the fly and it eats it. It is an insect eating plant, and it gets its food from soil as well as insects. So it takes its food from soil also, from roots, and it also eats insect to get its food. Okay, next point, seeds are used for growing new plants. Yes, the seeds of the plants are very helpful. If you sow the seed in the ground and give it water and sunlight, then it will start growing. So children, you are going to take 4-5 gram seeds and plant it in a small paper glass, and next week on Monday I want to see that plant. Okay, I want to see it growing. You will also see how the plants grow. You are going to take some mud, put it in a paper glass, and every day you have to put some water in it and keep it in the sunlight. Okay children, now let us try this. Name some seeds we eat. We have already discussed before. Some seeds we eat are cereals, wheat, rice or maize is also there. Pulses, that is called dal. Chana dal you eat, moong dal you eat, and rajma also you eat. Okay, you have to do this in your book. Yes children, let us discuss these keywords. Herbs. Very small plants are called herbs, like mint, chili, tulsi and tomato. Now what are shrubs? Shrubs are medium-sized plants with woody stems. Okay, these are called shrubs like rose, hibiscus. Now what are trees? Okay, tall, big and strong plants are called trees like mango, neem. Now what are trunks, children? Trees have a huge wooden stem called trunk. We have already learned this. We are just revising it. Now there are some things to remember in this lesson, children. The first point is, around our society we observe many trees and plants. Okay, you can see around your home, in your locality, there are many types of trees and plants. The second point is, a plant has different parts: root, stem, leaf, flower, bud and fruit. We have already done this activity. Okay, we are just revising it. Third point is, to get fresh air we should save the trees. Yes, we should save trees to get fresh air. We should plant more trees also. Fourth point is, plants provide us with oxygen to breathe and live. Yes, plants give us oxygen to breathe and live. Let us do this exercise, children. Exercise A. Fill in the blanks using correct options. Dash is a herb. Neem, rose, rubber plant or grass? Yes, grass is a herb. Second point. Big and small plants are called what? Herbs? No. Shrubs? No. Trees? Yes. Trees is correct. And creepers is also no. Third point. Leaves of most plants are red, green, brown, black. No. Most plants have got green leaves. Yes, that is correct. Fourth point is, plants are dash things. Plants are non-living things. No. They breathe. Plants are immortal things. Immortal means, are they forever alive? They will never die. No. Plants are dead. That means they are non-living things. No, not at all. They are living things, my dear. So that is all for the lesson today. You are going to see the video and learn the most. Okay? And the activity which I have given you, you have to take 4 or 5 full grains, chana, khada chana, and put it in a paper glass. Put some mud in paper glass and then put some grains in that mud and water it till 4 or 5 days and keep it in the sunlight and see the change. Don't keep on opening the seed again and again. After 4 days you will see a green color small plant will sprout from that chana. Okay, children, stay safe, stay home. Bye and take care. Thank you.